Creating a Photoshop title. So to create a Photoshop title, we have to go up to the File menu, go to New, go to New, and go down here to Photoshop File. And we're going to click on Photoshop File. It's going to ask us for our settings. We're going to say OK. And then it's going to say, where do you want the name of this file? So I'll name this something like what should we call it? Something simple. Photoshop title. All right, and I'll say save. Now, Adobe Photoshop will open with this file that you made, the Photoshop title file, and I have that down here. Now, if it doesn't, you could just drag this out onto the timeline, right click and say open with Photoshop, and it should open. So if it doesn't open automatically, which it should, so here I have my file opened up here, and I'm going to go over to my my text tool here, my horizontal text tool, and I'm going to click, and I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to say something like Photoshop and I'm going to open this up a little bit. I'm going to say Photoshop title. Alright, so there's my Photoshop title. I'm going to make it a little bigger here so we can see that. A bit bigger yet. Might want to spell it right. There we go, Photoshop title. Of course, I can play with all the tools here. And then, at this point, I want to close it by saving it. Alright, so I'm going to come over here and save. And now I can actually go and close my project. Alright. Now that I have the Photoshop title in here, I can go back here now and I have this thing down here. So this is where my Photoshop file is residing at this point. So now I've created this Photoshop title file and it's parked down here.